Hi guys, you welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making special kunu. Special kunu. We are using dates. We are using ginger, clove, then sweet potato. Sweet potato and this date is going to give us that sweetness of it, that sweet taste. So we are not adding any sugar at all. So prepare this kunu, this type of kunu, and enjoy it. So we are using kidney corn and millet for this kunu. So give a thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe if you've not subscribed to our channel. Subscribe so that you will not miss any of our videos. Thank you. Keep on giving your comments, share it. See you in my next video. Thank you. So guys, making this special kunu, this is the recipes that we have. This is potato, dry potato. You can equally use the fresh one. This is the red potato. This red is sweeter than the white potato. Then I'm adding 1 cup of groundnut. Then this is ginger, and this is my dates and clove. Then rice seed. This rice seed will help your kunu to be watery, not as thick as pap. So that is the reason we use rice seed. Yeah guys, making this special kunu, these are the recipes. The potato, actually you can use a fresh potato, but here I'm using dry one and it's fine with red potato, this red potato. Then my groundnut, 1 cup of groundnut. Then my rice seed, the ginger, then clove, then my dates. These are the sweetening that I'm using to make the kunu sweet without sugar. So the importance of this rice seed is to make your kunu watery, not as thick as pap. So we are using millet and kidney corn for the kunu. So I'm going to wash all this, then blend it and add it to the blended kidney corn and the millets. Remember, we are using hot water to prepare everything. So after blending, you have to mix it well before adding your hot water. So I'm going to add the hot water now. cover it.